Hi there, my name is Michel, and I am a content creator at Rapper. Today we will be talking about the duotone feature. Let's start off by asking the question, what is duotone? Duotone. As the word suggests, the duotone effect brings the colors down to only two tones or colors. It is like turning your image into a grayscale image, but instead of black at one end and white on the other end of the spectrum, you pick any two colors. This gives a unique and beautiful new look to your image. To create this effect in Rapper, you can come down to the Effects tab and enable the duotone effect. The first color will fill in the shadow, while the second color will fill in the highlights. By hitting the invert button, the shadows and highlights will be flipped. You could also decrease the opacity of this effect by reducing the amount of duotone applied. Here are some general tips. It works best with high contrast images to get the full spectrum of the duotone. You could use color adjustment to increase the contrast of your source image. For some classic color combos, you could use the color presets if you wish. Here are some uses. Single hue gradient, subtle hue shift, heavy contrast by using complementary colors. Play around with the colors until you found something you really like. Monotone and tritone. Besides duotone, you could also create monotone and tritone images. Hit the type button and select the effect you like. As suggested, monotone will give one single hue to your entire image. There are three different modes: mix hue with just black, just white, and with both. A benefit to monotone images could be that you reduce the complexity of a pattern by bringing the colors down to just one. Combine with white for subtle background patterns. Combine with color adjustment effects to make it even more subtle. Tritone will divide your images into three different tones or colors by splitting the shadows, midtones and highlights. Are you lacking inspiration on what colors to use? Try one of many presets Rapper provides. Would you like to have more information on how to create stunning color combinations? See our blog post about the color wheel. The link is in the description below. Would you like to try it yourself? Visit rapper.app. We hope that you will have a lot of fun with this Rapper feature. Thanks for watching.